I'm going to open up a website evaluation form down here. Let's see. There it is. Click download. Open with Microsoft Word. And here it is. You may get a sign here that says enable editing. You have to click a button to make it possible to edit it, but mine came up without that. I'm going to save this onto my desktop, so then I will have it there. Put it on the desktop and not in downloads. And save it. So now the website evaluation form is on my desktop, and I can open it up and start working on it. Okay. Put my name here. And copy the URL that I'm going to look at. I can highlight it. I can use Control A, Control C, Control V. So there's my complete URL. And the title of the article or web page in quotation marks. Freedom from fries. Here's a subtitle that I'm going to use. Can fast food be good for you? It's the main title and the subtitle. Colon. You see I'm using capitalization for a title. The author is Michael Spector here. And then the date that the page was posted. Let's see if there's a date here. Sometimes it's down at the bottom. I'm not really seeing a date here. Sometimes it isn't there. It doesn't mean you can't use the website. It's kind of unusual in a magazine not to see it, so I'm continuing to look. But I get, oh, here it is. Here it is, November 2nd, 2015. Okay. Now the domain name is in between the double slash and the single slash. So I'm going to copy this. Use my Control C, Control V. And the domain name suffix is .com. Oops, that's not what I want to do. What can you tell about the source from the domain name suffix? With .com, that answer is nothing. If you see, for example, .edu, then you know it's a school or a college. .com really doesn't tell you anything. The website title, I find that by erasing back to the first single slash. And then I put the website title in italics. So I'm going to go back to that first slash. And it's The New Yorker is the name of it. I use Control I to put it in italics. And the day I found it, today's date is March 19th, 2017. Contact information. Remember, we said this is important. Why don't I go down here and look at contact for the website. Contact information is all the way down at the bottom here. Very small print. And I can just copy. There's actually a lot of different contact information for different purposes. Probably the most important thing we're just going to copy this part. I think I'll change this to smaller font, take away any boldface. I do this with my Command B or Control B. Okay, so that's the end of that section.